Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to limit a voice chat to 2 users on Discord, or just limit it to a certain number of people. If you found this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get stuck in. What we're going to do first is actually open up a new browser and come across to discord.com. Now you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So once you're logged in, you can only do this on servers that you've got rights for, so you have to be like an owner or have the appropriate permissions. You can't just do this on any old server. So I've actually got my example server down here, which we'll be using today in this example. So what you want to do is come to the voice channel that you want to set the limit for, or if you want to create a new one, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and create a new one. And then once that's ready, all you need to do is right click onto the server voice channel. And then you want to come and click onto edit channel. And then from here, all you need to do is simply scroll down on the first page and you'll see there's actually a section which says user limit. And this basically limits the amount of people that can join that server. So you can have 1 user, 2 user, 3 users, etc, up to a maximum of 99 users. But obviously if you just wanted 2 users, you would just set it to the 2 users. And when you make a change, you'll see the little pop-up comes down at the bottom. So just make sure to hit the save changes, this green button. And that's how you do it basically. Just a quick note, as it says here, that users with the move members permission can ignore this limit and can still move other users into the channel. So just be wary of that with members you have in your channel and the types of permissions they have. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.